Am I live? I hope I'm live. It looks like I'm live, so I'm just gonna go for it. Guys, how you doing today? Tamar Salas here, coming to you impromptu. Just thought I'm gonna make a juice and I'm gonna finally share with you the recipe in English. Some of you have seen the recipe in Spanish, so I'm gonna share with you today the recipe in English, which this juice was inspired from an incredible person, incredible teacher that I've been learning from. His name is Frank Suarez. He's a specialist in obesity, one of the largest epidemic problems in the world today. And his name is Frank Suarez. He's the founder of a company called Natural Slim. I don't get paid to talk about him, by the way, but his books and his knowledge and his legacy, because he's not in the world with us anymore, has inspired me so much that I've taken on um, this part of his knowledge. I've taken on his knowledge inside my life, and he has this very incredible book called Diabetes Without Problems. I'm going to leave a link for you um, down in the comment section below so that you can have a look if you have anyone who suffers from diabetes. Diabetes Without Problems by Frank Suarez is an incredible book. There's a ton of information here about how to live with this sickness, with this illness without problems. Yeah, many problems can arise as a cause of having, as the effect of having a diabetes. And The Power of Your Metabolism by him as well, but Frank Suarez, is an incredible book. I'll also put a link to it just in the comment section below as well. So welcome to this live. Welcome to this live. As you know, I'm a lifestyle coach. I've been doing this for a very long time. I've been able to change my life from depression to mindfulness. I was suffering from clinical depression about 15 years ago, decided to completely change my lifestyle. I did a massive audit of myself where I sat down and I studied basically what I was doing in my life that I no longer needed if I was to move to a more positive end of the spectrum in my life. So today I teach people how to do this. It's a methodology that I've been able to design. I've been able to come up with over the years and perfect my methodology over many years of experience and study and living, obviously, this practice. So I live what I preach. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the recipes from Frank's books and this green juice. This green juice basically helps to um, helps helps you to restore your metabolism. Basically, how you transfer food into energy. Yeah. And what do we got here? So we got ginger, we have lemon, we have celery, we have mint, this beautiful mint. My neighbors gave me this mint from their garden, and it's just, this is spearmint, and it's delicious. And I've got also silver beet here. I already washed all of my ingredients. I've got some apple as well that I've just had to cut in half. I've got my ginger, little piece of ginger, obviously. Don't go too hard on it. It's a very strong spice. That'll definitely help to warm up these cold vegetables, okay? Because cold vegetables are, in nature, in essence, they are cold. So we need to break down that balance. So we need to give it a balance. And I've got also some limes that I've already peeled. The reason why we peel them is because their skin is actually quite bitter. So you wanna peel the skins, okay? And so how about we get started? All right, let's do it. Let's do this, guys. If you're on this live right now, please do share it because people need to learn about this recipe. This author here, this person, this incredible person here, Frank Suarez, has changed the lives of countless of hundreds of thousands of people over his career, the last 20 years. And, you know, since reading his material, I'm a big fan. I'm a massive big fan. Why? Because not only it is congruent with my study and my life's journey, my life's mission to educate you about living a healthy lifestyle, that you can go from clinical depression to mindfulness without drugs. This is a proven methodology that I've been able to practice and teach and create success in my students and my clients over the last 10 years solid. So check it out, please. Share this information, share this live with your friends, share this recipe with your friends, and so that we can all, enjoy life, have a better experience of life. Okay, so here we go with this beautiful juice. All right, so I'm going to start off with the silver beet. Sharing is caring. Remember, don't be selfish. Share the love around. Don't keep it to yourself. The more you share, the more that we can make this world a better place. I don't want to be on my own doing this. So if you're watching me today, please do share this. It'll benefit you. It'll give you more energy. It'll give you more light. It will guide you towards better places, because it means that once you hit that share button, what's happening is you are expanding, your desire to receive, and therefore you will receive a lot more abundance and a lot more prosperity if you do share. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start this pretty loud machine, and let's do it. All right, so I'm going to start off with the silver beet. I've got 4 big leaves here. This is going to make 2 juices. Okay, so it's going to make 500 mils of juice, or a little bit more. So let's get started. So 1 cup is 250 milliliters. Okay, you should be able to be having about 2 cups of these a day. If you suffer from digestion problems, if you suffer from anxiety problems, if you suffer from depression, your nutrition will help to elevate the symptoms to a better experience of life. I've proven this over my career and over in my own life over the last 10, 15 years. And my students are obviously, what I've got to show for, not just myself, but my students are what I've got to show for that. So let's do this, all right? Okay, so silver beet goes in. And I've got this celery. I'm going to put in the limes now. Limes with an apple. Beautiful. Already the citrus is starting to come out. I'm going to put the rest of the leaf. I'm going to put in the mint. I'm going to put in the ginger. And finally the apple, the rest of the apple. Fantastic. What do we got here? What do we have here, guys? This is an impromptu live. We have here around about 600 mils of this beautiful life. So what you have here is the life of the plant, the magnesium, the potassium, all the electrons, all the sunshine, all the minerals from the earth. This is what you drink, okay? You want to extract the life of the plant. You want to extract the life, the blood of the plant, and drink this. What this will do for you, it will aid and relax your bowel. Therefore, your digestive system will improve. Your mood will improve, because what happens is magnesium and potassium are the minerals, the elements which help to ignite the cells. So the energy within the cells, the mitochondria. So if you have that happening inside your body, your trillions of cells are actually waking up, yeah, to receiving this energy and can fuel your metabolism to help you digest and to help you flush out what you don't need and keep all the nutrients and the vitamins that you do need. So, you'll be able to absorb much more of the vitamins in your foods, providing obviously you have a healthy lifestyle, and you can create a balance. I know people that aren't in the space of a healthy lifestyle just yet and do not understand that a lot of the foods that we eat, so all the junk food or the fast food that you buy out there is completely toxic. Yeah. So no wonder people are suffering from anxiety, from depression. The body doesn't have enough oxygen, so energy is oxygen. Okay. So the molecules inside this green life is what helps to ignite, yes, your cells, the energy within your cells, so that you can experience life through your body in a much better and efficient way. So you want to restore your health, you want to restore your digestion, you want to restore your energy, you want to feel younger, you want to feel, prettier, you want to feel sexier. Get inside these juices, get inside this beautiful, make these a part of your lifestyle. I cannot recommend this enough. So what have I got here? So we've got exactly 600 mils of green juice, and I'm going to pour this into here. I've stirred it already. Pour this into my glass. So here I've got 250 mils of green juice. I'm going to spray a little bit of, I left a little bit of the lime skin. When I was younger, when I was very young, I was a bartender. And one of the tricks that we have, is just to pour over your cocktails. So the oils in the skin, they're beautiful. And when you place this into your drinks, well, what do you get? You get a better experience. You get a better aromatic experience, which is what we're after as well. So all of your senses are going to be waking up here. Okay, so here we go. Here's the proof, guys. I want to inspire you. I want to get you to get this inside your body, get this inside your life, get your friends with you, have a green juice party, and why not? Why not? Take advantage of what nature provides for you. Here we go. This smells beautiful. Now, I can smell the mint. I can smell the spearmint, fresh spearmint, just freshly picked. I can smell the citrus from the lime, the oils from that lime. I can smell the ginger. I can definitely smell the celery, so that freshness in there. So all of this water was in these vegetables, in these plants, along with all the minerals from the earth, from the sun, from the soil. Here we go. Here's the proof, huh? Mm. Oh, what comes through first is the apple. That sweetness, that flavor of the apple just mixing in and mingling with the citrus. Oh, delicious. Really, really, really beautiful. The mint is obviously, that woodiness from the mint is also there. Wow, just outstanding. Cheers. Become a master of your life. Become a master of how you feel through foods, through healthy lifestyle. Encourage your friends. Prove it for yourself. Don't believe a word that I'm saying. Do this for yourself. Take it upon yourself to introduce these elements into your daily life. And in 30 days, let me know how you feel and how you're going. Your life is going to change. Trust me. Get this into you. Cheers. Delicious. Really, really, really beautiful. As I was sharing with you the other day, I had these digestive problems, right? At the beginning, started at the beginning of last year, and through self-observation, self-restriction, self-discipline, and able to apply more of the stuff that is in this book. A lot of the things in here I already knew, but just to find confirmation again was just, incredible. And coming from somebody who is devoted to changing people's lives as I am, I was just truly, truly, truly impressed. And it is only when I'm impressed that I share, all of the goodness with you. I'm impressed with someone's work. It's just crazy. Therefore, I was able to heal all of the digestive problems that I began to develop. Watch the video that I posted on Friday. It's just down a couple of videos below this one, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. I don't want to take too much of your time now. Cheers. I hope that I have encouraged you today. I have inspired you to create these incredible feel for your life and include it into your daily routine. I'm Tamar Salas, and I'll see you soon on my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching me today, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. Ciao.